Ever had your stomach growl super loud in class? Let's find out why. Your stomach isn't just sitting there quietly. It's always moving and squeezing to mix up food. But even when it's empty, it still squeezes, pushing around air and leftover juices. That movement makes rumbling sounds called borborygmi, a funny word for growling tummy. It's your body's way of saying, "Hey, let's eat." Imagine a cute cartoon stomach, rumbling with sound waves, and a floating sandwich. What's the funniest place your stomach has growled? Comment below and subscribe for more fun facts.